On this episode of Inspiration Nation, all of our hard work pays off and we finally get to take the Conquest to SEMA. So that being said, make sure you get your popcorn and all your proper condiments and let's enjoy the show. Wesley, roll the SEMA footage. Alright, it's time to walk around and see what kind of awesome builds we can find. Hope you guys enjoy. I found the Hoonicorn, everybody's favorite Mustang. Oh. So not only is this a monumentous moment for us and being the first time in SEMA with a car, it's my homie Tommy's first time in a booth at SEMA. Because last year we kind of snuck him in the Barnyard and nobody knew he wasn't supposed to be there. But this year it's legit, like us. Nothing like finding a Ford with God's motor. That's right, twin turbo LS and a Continental. Oof. cars everywhere. Hope you enjoy the content, guys, because it's taken a lot to get here this year, and we hope you enjoy everything. Oh, that's pretty. Well, here's another YouTuber's car they built for SEMA. It's a mid-engine 67 fastback Mustang wide body built for B is for Build YouTube channel. LS swap the world. This is definitely one of the classiest looking LS engines I've ever seen. The Firebird's not too bad itself, but that engine, ooh. Check out this badass Pantera. I don't know if you guys are gonna love this build or not, but this was this is the YouTuber that I follow, and I woke up and watched the builds and went outside and worked on the Conquest. So this was the inspiration for B-Ray, the StanceWorks K-Swap Ferrari. You guys know I love Hot Wheels, so every chance I get to get a video or a picture of a real life Hot Wheel or a real life car made into a Hot Wheel, I gotta do it. So here you go. How about a 55 gasser? Maybe we can get them to turn the Conquest into a Hot Wheel. Fingers crossed. I've been walking for 20 minutes trying to find the Toyo bridge that crosses the highway. We've all been lost. Now we found it. You guys got to check out these cars. It's even official looking. Like, got the carpet outside and everything. Ooh, I see why. Now you guys know I'm not really big on the cars that are made out of unobtainium, but that's a clean ass Lambo right there. I swear to God, man. I think I'm turning into a Porsche guy because, wow, that is gorgeous. And this segment is sponsored by my homies over at Momo Racing, making great cars great. Oh, if you need a seat, check out Momo Racing. Make sure you use that promo code INSPIRATION, save yourself some money. That was a blast, guys. Now, we have to give a big shout out to Bad Dog Tools for actually helping us get there and supplying some of the parts, as well as a lot of other companies. My homie Mitch over at Richard Engineering. We got Speedway jumped in, Momo, Well. There was a lot of you guys. Thank you from the bottom of our heart for making this all possible. And with that being said, we hope to see you guys out there next year, and we'll see you on the next one.
Barry.
What?
The car.
Oh, I forgot about that. Wesley, show the people why they're still here.